A 9.5 magnitude monster. The day the Earth went wild. On May 22, 1960, southern Chile was struck by the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. A staggering 9.5 magnitude. Within seconds, entire towns were destroyed. The ground split apart, and chaos unfolded everywhere. Moments later, gigantic tsunami waves, reaching 25 meters high, smashed into the Chilean coast and traveled thousands of kilometers, hitting Hawaii and even Japan. Over 6,000 lives were lost, and this disaster forever changed the way we understand earthquakes. Want more shocking disaster stories? Subscribe now!